PediaSure with Ms Manjari Chandra introduces Grow Right, Immuno Right.
So today we're going to discuss about a very interesting drink called the Beetroot Mix Juice. The ingredients are essentially some beetroot, some peeled orange, some apples, you can keep the peel intact, some carrots, some chia seeds, and we'll be using 2 tablespoons of the vanilla flavor of PediaSure. PediaSure is a pediatric supplement which is a complete and nutritious supplement which contains most of the macronutrients and many of the micronutrients. We start with using the pre-soaked chia seeds. The pre-soaked chia seeds have already been added to the glass with the PediaSure, and as we add the pre-soaked chia seeds and the PediaSure, we'll eventually be taking all the vegetables and fruits and juicing them directly into the glass.